Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, it's Wonder Woman. Get in the bin. What? That's so silly. Invader's up in the tree. Let's glow in the dark Invader. Get in the bin. Who else can we find? What? Who's that? That's Kraken. So cool. Get in the bin. Whoa, which one's this one? It's Aqua Stallion. That's so cool. Get in the bin. Whoa, check it out. Who's this? It's Monster Portions. That's so cool. Whoa, look at that big hot dog that's in there. It's a giant hot dog. Get in the bin. Whoa, check it out. It's storm damage. That's so cool, so pretty. Get in the bin. Who else can we find? Whoa. That's a really cool looking horsepower. Whoa, there's another one right here. Who's that? Oh, it's Dragonoid. Look, its little thing moves. It's Dragonoid. Get in the bin, Dragonoid. Whoa, it's Batitude. Look at those wings, so cool. Get in the bin, Batitude. Whoa, check it out. It's Blue Thunder. So cool. Let's see who we found today. Blue Thunder, Dragonoid, Horsepower, Aqua Stallion, Wonder Woman, Storm Damage, Kraken, Glow in the Dark Invader, Batitude, Monster Portions. How many do we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found 10 monster trucks. See you next time.